Tasha, and today I'm excited to introduce you to the amazing pathway over at Timedoor Academy. Here at Timedoor Academy, we offer 6 unique pathways, each designed to spark curiosity and ignite a passion for learning. Step into the future of technology where data is power, and you are the creator of intelligent machines. This pathway is specially designed for teenagers aged 15 to 18 years old. Welcome to AI Engineer Pathway.
Your journey begins with mastering Python for data science, the language of data. You will learn to analyze, visualize, and unlock the secrets hidden in numbers. Next, it's time to level up with AI machine learning. From teaching machines to recognize patterns to making predictions, you will be at the heart of innovation. Get ready to build models that can learn, adapt, and evolve just like real AI systems.
But that's not all. With AI computer vision, you will teach machines to see the world like we do.
From recognizing faces to understanding objects, you are literally shaping the way machines perceive reality. By the end of this pathway, you will not only understand AI, but you will be creating it. From self-driving cars to facial recognition, the possibilities are endless.
So, are you ready to unlock the true potential of artificial intelligence and become the next AI engineer? Start coding the future together and discover how AI is changing the world. Let's explore another exciting pathway at Timedoor Academy.